Hello dear students, I am Dr. Sharad Kumar, Assistant Professor Department of Wildlife Sciences, Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh. In previous lecture, I discussed about the biodiversity values of semi-arid, Western Ghats, Deccan Peninsula biogeographic zones. In this lecture, I shall discuss about the remaining four biogeographic zones, which is Gangetic Plains, Northeast Islands and the coast biogeographic zones of India. Zone 7, Gangetic Plains. The Gangetic Plains extend along the foothills of the Himalayas from Uttarakhand eastwards through the Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal and parts of coastal Odisha. This zone is stretching from eastern Rajasthan through Uttar Pradesh to Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. The entire area comprises a vast, flat, alluvial expanse both to the north and south of the river Ganges and its many tributaries that cut southward through the Himalayas. With an area of 3,59,400 square kilometer, which is roughly 10% of the India's total land mass. The area was once the heartland of the Indian wilderness, but has long since been converted to a vast man-dominated landscape. Known to be one of the world's most fertile regions, the Gangetic Plain is the most densely populated of the 10 biogeographic zones of the India. More than 300 million people, accounting for over 30% of the India's total population, reside in this zone. Floral diversity. The Gangetic Plains has high diversity of forest and major forest types in the zone are tropical moist deciduous forest, tropical dry deciduous forest, tropical thorny forest and grasslands. In Gangetic Plains, the dominating tree species include Soria robusta, Elengium salvifolium, Phyllanthus embolica, Garuga pinnata, Chidia calceana, Lagostomia parviflora, Mallotus philippinensis, Mitragina parvifolia, Pterocarpus marsupium. In open and disturbed areas, you will often record the species of Eupatorium, Lantana and Milkenia, which grow profusely without any competition. Faunal diversity. At one time, elephant, rhino, swamp deer, wild buffalo, tiger and many other wild animals were widespread over the Gangetic Plains. A small number of these survive today in the few remaining protected areas in Tarai grassland such as Dudhwa and the Pilibhit Tiger Reserve. A good part of this last surviving population of Bengal florican are to be found in this zone. In the wetland habitat of the Gangetic Plains are found over 20 species of turtles, Gangetic dolphins, crocodiles, alligators and several species of migratory waterfalls. Amphibians. Indian bullfrog, Indian cricket frog, Indian burrowing frog, common toad, painted frog, ornate narrow-mouthed frog, golden-lined frog, yellow-striped frog, Dudhwa tree frog, chunam or common tree frog, Bengal whispering frog, Assamese balloon frog, Indian marble toad, orang sticky frog, Indian painted frog, Jordan's bullfrog, Tarai cricket frog, Nepal cricket frog, Chillapata rain pool frog, long-tongued frog, reed frog and bright frog are some of the important species found in the Gangetic Plains. Reptiles. The Gangetic Plains also support some of the important reptiles of the India such as magar, gharial, monitor lizard, Indian chameleon, garden lizard, three-striped group turtle, red-crowned group turtle, Indian flapshell turtle, common sand boa, red-head boa, Indian rock python, Indian rat snake, monocled cobra, king cobra, Russell's viper and common krait. Birds. Around 1065 species of birds are reported from the Gangetic Plains. Few species worthy to mention here are Bengal florican, Sarus crane, paradise flycatcher, black francolin, Brahmani duck, commonly shell duck, pintail, mallard, Eurasian pigeon, Ferruginous duck, tufted duck, com duck, cottontail, king vulture, tawny eagle, Indian jungle crow, Indian shikra, lager falcon, grey shrike, bay-backed shrike, great white hornbill, red-headed vulture, Indian vulture, white-rumped vulture, plum-headed parakeet, crested serpent eagle. Mammals. Some of the important mammals of the Gangetic Plains are western swamp deer, hog deer, one-horned rhinoceros, Gangetic river dolphin, smooth-coated otter, tiger, leopard, leopard cat, jungle cat, fishing cat, yellow-throated marten, Indian porcupine, Indian fox, chinkara, Indian hare, elephant, cheetal, shambar, barking deer, nilgai, black buck, wild boar, Indian wolf, striped hyena, sloth bear, Asiatic black bear, Indian pangolin. Zone 8, Northeast Biogeographic Zone. The Northeast Biogeographic Zone is most significant zone of India. Northeast India is one of the 36 biodiversity hotspots in the world. It is one of the most important zone in the Indian subcontinent for its rich biological diversity, and a large number of its species are endemic to this zone. It has an area of about 171,423 square kilometer and is spread over the states of Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura, but does not include the Arunachal Pradesh, which is the part of Himalayan Biogeographic Zone. About 40% of the zone is covered by the forest, which is very important for the conservation of the biodiversity. Floral diversity. The Northeast Biogeographic Zone has a very high diversity of forest habitat in the zone. The habitats found in the zone are tropical wet evergreen forest, tropical semi-evergreen forest, tropical moist deciduous forest, subtropical broadleaf hill forest, subtropical pine forest, littoral and swamp forest, grassland and savannas, montane wet temperate forest. So we can say that the Northeast Biogeographic Zone is one of the area where we have large chunk of the evergreen forest which are very important for the conservation of the biodiversity of India. However, about such species have distribution restricted to Assam only. These include trees like Acacia gaginea, Adantium assamicum, Alisodaphnine andersoni, Alisodaphnine khasiana, Angiopteris assamica, Cedrela febrifuga, Cinnamomum cacharensis, Coilogyne assamica, Comriticum balchii, Dinochula indica, Diospyros cacharensis, Dipterocarpus mannii, Eugenia cynophylla, and the area is also have very high diversity of the bamboos. Some of the important bamboo species from the Northeast Biogeographic Zone are Bambusa cacharensis, Bambusa maastrichii, and the area is also have very high diversity of orchids, and some of the important orchid species from the northeast biogeographic zone are Bulbophyllum elastonotum, Bulbophyllum varius, and Dendrobium assamicum. Fauna. Amphibians. The zone support around 200 species of amphibians, and many species of amphibians which are found in the northeast biogeographic zone are endemic to the northeast biogeographic zone. So we can say that the northeast biogeographic zone is very important for the conservation of these species. The area is especially has very high diversity of caecilians. Some of the endemic species of the northeast biogeographic zone are Cichla alcoki, Cichla gadduani, Ichthyophis alfredi, Ichthyophis deribocensis, Ichthyophis garensis, Ichthyophis khumji, etc. Reptiles. The northeast biogeographic zone also has very high diversity of the reptiles, and some of the important species which are reported from the northeast biogeographic zone are many-lined grass skink, bronze grass skink, four-keeled grass spotted litter skink, northeastern water skink, Khasi Hill long-tailed lizard, Gray's forest lizard, forest agamid, Jordan's forest lizard, flat-backed Zapalura, Tokay gecko, flat-tailed gecko, Khasi Hill band-toed gecko, bronzeback tree snake, mock viper, green cat snake, Indo-Chinese red snake, white-winged kukri snake, etc. Birds. The northeast biogeographic zone support more than 1000 species of birds, and some of the important endemic birds reported from the northeast biogeographic zone are Manipur bush quail, marsh warbler, snowy throated warbler, tawny breasted wren warbler, Blitz tragopon, beautiful shebia, grey shebia, black-breasted parrotbill, chestnut-breasted partridge, rusty-breasted shortwing. In addition to this, there are some other species which are also recorded from the northeast biogeographic zone. These are greater adjuvant stork, spot-billed pelican, lesser adjuvant stork, pale-capped pigeon, swamp francolin, Bengal florican, lesser fish eagle, Palace's fish eagle, long-billed vulture, white-drum vulture, and war-headed geese, etc. Mammals. The northeast biogeographic zone support more than 200 species of mammals, and some of the important species of mammals which are found in the northeast biogeographic zone are golden langur, hispid hare, pygmy hawk, hollowed gibbon, Assamese macaque, stump-tailed macaque, elephant, one-horned rhinoceros, tiger, swamp deer, hog deer, gaur, water buffalo, clouded leopard, capped langur, Asiatic black bear, sun bear, sloth bear, Gangetic dolphin, red panda, goral, clouded leopard, etc. There is also very important species of deer which is found in the Manipur state of the northeast biogeographic zone. It is El's deer or Thamin or Sangai. The distribution of this species is restricted to the Manipur. Biogeographic zone 9, islands. Islands are essentially found in two major groups in India. the Lakshadweep Islands of Arabian Sea, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands of the Bay of Bengal. The Lakshadweep Islands are an archipelago of 27 small islands. They are spread over an area of 32.62 square kilometer. They are 320 kilometers away from the Kerala coast. Earlier, Rogers and Pawar placed the Lakshadweep Islands under the Islands Biogeographic Zone of India, but the later revision by the Rogers and et al. In 2000 placed it under the coastal zone because most of the land area of the Lakshadweep is converted into the agriculture field. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are an elongated north-south oriented group of 348 islands in the Bay of Bengal. The total land area of these islands is 8,327 square kilometer. The Andaman Islands are located about 190 kilometers from Cape Nagaresh in Burma. Floral diversity. The 7 major categories of forest vegetation are described by Champion and Sait in the Island Biogeographic Zone. These forest types are evergreen forest, semi-evergreen forest, littoral forest, hilltop stunted evergreen forest, moist deciduous forest, swamp forest and mangrove forest. So this high diversity of forest is also support some of the important species found in the island biogeographic zone. In addition to these forest types, there are some non-forest plant communities found on the beach strands, freshwater ponds and rocky cliffs. The barren island, a volcanic island, has a grass scrubland cover. Smaller islets have grass, spray, sclerophyllous scrub, fish and coral life. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands show a variety of coastal variations such as mangrove estuaries, sandy and muddy shores, coral reefs, lagoons and marine cliffs. These waters are said to have the richest fish and coral communities in India. Several species of dolphins are present in this zone and whale sighting are very frequent in the island biogeographic zone. Plants. Out of 15,000 species of flowering plants found in India, some 2,200 species are found in these islands. Over 200 are strict endemic. Further, 1,300 species are found nowhere else in India and these show closeness to the species of Burma, Malaysia and Indonesian region. It implies that about 10% of India's 15,000 flowering plant species are restricted to the 8,000 square kilometer area of Andaman and Nicobar forest. So this indicated that this biogeographic zone is very important to conserve the plant diversity of India. Some of the important endemic plants which are found in the islands biogeographic zone are Scythia nicobarica, Clematis smilacifolia andamanica, Dillenia andamanica, Polyalthia parkinsoni, Estercolia cordata, Cyclia panulina, Grevia calophylla, Lea grandifolia, Mangifera nicobarica, Semicarpus curzii, Embelica microcalyx, Vanilla andamanica, Calamus andamanicus. Reptiles and amphibians. A large number of reptiles and amphibian species are endemic to the island biogeographic zone. Some of the interesting reptile species include the saltwater crocodile that is now restricted only to a few creeks in the north, middle and little Andaman and Great Nicobar, and now on some offshore island. The island have 4 species of marine turtle: green, Ridley, hawksbill and leathery turtle. The small population of Asiatic box turtle, a freshwater turtle, is a cause of concern because the population of this species is very low in island biogeographic zone. Amphibians. The some of the important amphibians of the island biogeographic zone are Andaman frog, Ingrera charlesdabini, Chakrapani's narrow-mouthed frog, Polypedadus insularis, Limnocetus andamanensis, Limnocetus limocharis. Birds. The avifauna consists of 255 distinct taxa of birds, of which 112 are endemic to these islands. So we can say that around 50% bird species are endemic to the island biogeographic zone, and some of the peculiar examples include Nicobar megapode, a mound building bird found in low density around sandy shores and littoral forest. It is highly endangered. Another interesting bird species is the Narcondum hornbill that is restricted to 7 square kilometer volcanic island Narcondum to the east of the Andaman. The serpent eagle, full species and different subspecies on Andaman and Nicobar islands. The Andamans or the great eel, a gregarious duck of brackish and freshwater forest pool, is again restricted to Andaman and is highly endangered. Mammals. One finds these islands with impoverished mammalian fauna. This may be largely due to the isolation of Andaman and Nicobar islands and the small island size. Amongst mammal species of rodents and bats dominate. The indigenous mammal species that need to be considered here or which are worthy to mention are the Nicobar macaque, also known as the crab-eating macaque, a distinctive race of the widespread long-tailed macaque of Southeast Asia. The Nicobar tree shrew, a distinctive species with separate subspecies in Great and Little Nicobar. The dugong, found commonly in the coastal water of the Andaman and Nicobar. There are 55 species of mammals, out of which 7 are marine. Some of the endangered and endemic mammal species of the island biogeographic zone are Nicobar macaque, Nicobar tree shrew, Andaman subanus rat, Nicobar spine-backed rat, Andaman rat, Malaysian wood rat, Jenkins shrew, Andaman spiny shrew, Andaman palm civet. Biogeographic Zone 10 Coasts. The coastline of India stretches from Gujarat to Cape Comorin in the west and onwards from Cape Comorin to the Sundarban in the east. The zone also includes the Lakshadweep Islands of India. The long stretch of coastline in the mainland has a very diverse set of biotic communities. On the west, the Arabian Sea washes the shores of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala state. On the east, the Bay of Bengal washes the coast of Sundarban in West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu state. The southern promontory of Indian Peninsula is bathed by the Gulf of Mannar and Indian Ocean along the coast of southern portion of Tamil Nadu. Floral diversity. As per the champion and said, coastal vegetation is classified into the following forest type: littoral forest, scrub mangrove, mangrove forest, saltwater mixed forest, blackish water mixed, palm swamp. Some of the important species of plants which should be mentioned or which are important to mention are Ipomea pescapri, Thaporosia purpurea, Rhizophora cronata, Avicennia officinalis, and Avicennia marina. A total of 39 mangrove species are known from the India, while several of them are cosmopolitan in distribution. Five of them, Aegialitis rotendifolia, Heritaria fomes, Heritaria canicensis, Rhizophora annamalina, and Rhizophora stylosa are restricted to the east coast of the India. So, east coast of the India is very important for the conservation of these mangrove species of the plants. Faunal diversity, amphibians. Coast areas of India are not very rich in amphibian diversity, and only few species such as tree frog, common Indian toad, Indian bullfrog, Jordan's bullfrog are recorded from the coastal areas. Reptiles. Reptile fauna of the coastal plains is quite rich. Some of the noteworthy species are leatherback sea turtle, hawksbill turtle, loggerhead turtle, Indian star tortoise, Indian flap-shell turtle, green sea turtle, olive ridley turtle, bark gecko, Brahmini skink, yellow sea snake, annulated sea snake, Gerard mud snake, checkered keelback, glossy billed racer snake, saltwater crocodile. Birds. Around 250 species of birds are reported from the coastal biogeographic zone of the India. Some of the important species from the zone are Pacific golden plover, lesser sand plover, Eurasian curlew, common sandpiper, wood sandpiper, biscuit tern, black-winged stilt, little ringed plover, common green shank, green sandpiper, common sandpiper, black-headed gulls, bear's pochard, white-backed vulture, Egyptian vulture, spoonbill sandpiper, black-bellied tern, spotted greenshank, grey pelican, war-tailed godwit, and red-necked stint. Mammals. A little over 120 species of mammals are estimated to occur world over, and of these 40 are reported from Indian Ocean, and 25 species of marine mammals belonging to the order Cetacea and Sirenia are reported from Indian waters. So we can say that this zone is important for the conservation of marine mammals. Some of the important marine species reported from the coastal biogeographic zone of the India are sea cow, Indian humpback dolphin, Irrawaddy dolphin, Ganges river dolphin, sperm whale, finless porpoise, Indo-Pacific bottlenose dolphin, long-beaked common dolphin, long snout spinner dolphin, pantropical spotted dolphin, rough-toothed dolphin, grey dolphin, pygmy killer whale, false killer whale, pygmy sperm whale, fin whale, blue whale, and humpback whale. In addition to this, there are some terrestrial mammalian species are also reported from the coastal biogeographic zone. Some of important species are tiger, leopard, spotted deer, and wild boar. Thank you.